Tough outdoor cleaning projects require the Stanley SHP1600 electric pressure washer. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 1600 PSI. That's 32 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Choose the SHP1600 because it represents the quality you expect from Stanley. These are some of the best-in-class features. Spray down any and all your patio areas, including the patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Get yours online at select retailers today.
Introducing the 13-amp 1500 PSI electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the quick connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40 degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1500 PSI pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1500 PSI pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
This is the Joe SPX3001 pressure washer. It's a customizable machine that can tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With its powerful motor, it can generate up to 2,030 PSI and blast away dirt and debris in minutes. Just aim it, spray it, and grime is gone. Patios, driveways, and any brick pavement takes a beating over the years. You keep the floors of your house clean, so why not keep your outdoor surfaces clean from the mildew, grime, dirt, and stains that build? You can use the Pressure Joe to return your pavement to its former glory and increase your curb appeal. And when your beautiful deck gets green or dark colored, you can bring it back to life with the Pressure Joe. With our extra large onboard detergent tank, you can use any one of our additional soaps for added cleaning and adjust the amount with the detergent dial. And you can add the power scrubbing broom attachment as an added tool to scrub away any dirt or debris. Seriously, the curb appeal on your house after you use the Pressure Joe will be amazing. You'll want to show it off and invite everyone over. And not only can the Pressure Joe reach down low, it can reach high too. The 34-inch extension wand makes cleaning windows, siding, and gutters a breeze. Just connect one of our 5 quick spray connection tips. 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and our soap spray tip. And then point, squeeze the trigger, and all that dirt and grime comes right off. And when you have everyone over, you'll want to make sure that you have nice clean lawn furniture for them to relax on. The Pressure Joe can take care of that too. Think of how much dirt, mud, and rust gets into your chairs and tables that are outside full time. And for that extra stubborn dirt and grime, you can even add the rotary wash brush. So it doesn't matter how big or small the chore, you can cross off all your cleaning tasks with the Joe SPX3001 pressure washer.
AR Blue Clean's new S line of electric power washers offers unmatched durability, power, and ease of use. From compact and portable to a fully integrated hose, professional wand, and all the accessories. Quality features that get the job done faster. Convenient electric power means no gas, excessive noise, and virtually maintenance-free With solid built-in components, cleanup is a breeze. AR Blue Clean's new S-Line has the right power washer for your demanding cleaning projects.
Welcome to Sunjoe's SPX3000. With over 3,500 five-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjoe is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9-liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjoe's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX3000 comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX3000 is backed by Sunjoe's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.